God tells us that in times when the Jewish people will not be in the land of Israel, it will remain barren. God is telling us this land will only grow, will only develop, will only have trees and vineyards when the Jews are living here. Every fruit tree, every vineyard we plant brings life to the land of Israel. We have enemies who want people to think of Israel as a place of terror and violence, because that's all they represent. But the Jewish people, we represent life. We represent growth. The best way to help strengthen the Jewish people is here in the hills of Judea and Samaria, to help us plant, to help us grow, to help us bring life to this wonderful land. You can be a partner with us in bringing life to the land of Israel. The prophecies of the prophets are coming true. This was our biblical homeland, and this is our modern homeland. The Jewish people are back home.